Hey guys, today I am going to try to get the acrylics off my nails. We are all currently under quarantine and the nail salons are closed, so I can't get them off professionally. I also can't get them filled in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to take them off by using these methods I found on YouTube. I also found a few details about the different kinds of acrylics that they use on your nails that would help you better take them off so you know what kind it is. So we're gonna start with 100% pure acetone added to a sandwich bag. Then this sandwich bag is gonna sit into a bowl of hot water. The idea is basically you sit your hand inside the sandwich bag, inside the warm water. It'll keep it warm, it'll melt all the acrylic off, and then you can just scrape it off with a file. It's pretty much how it's supposed to go, but it's not at all how it went for me, and it took forever and a lot of peeling and a lot of breaking to get them off, and I ended up losing all but like one nail. So yeah, let's just watch and see what happens. So after about 5 minutes, you can see that they have started to get a little gooey, started to get a little soft. I'm going to soak them a little longer and then go ahead and start trying to push them off with a file. Alright, so the first time wasn't that bad. I basically just picked everything off and it was fine. And then now I'm going to do the second hand, which took forever. So same method, I'm going to add the 100% pure acetone into a sandwich bag. Make sure there's enough for your fingernails to fit in like this. See, same size. And then that's it. You put your finger in it, sit your hand in a hot bowl of hot water, and let it soak off. So as you can see, as soon as your hand gets into this bag in the hot water, it ends up melting all your nail polish off, which is perfect. And then it has to sit there to work through the actual acetone. So I like wiggle my fingers around a little bit to help loosen it up, and then I'll go back to scraping to get it off. So once I finally got all the acrylic off, I went ahead and filed down my nails. Then I buffed down the tops and tried to make them as smooth as I possibly could. After the filing was all done, I went ahead and washed my hands, and then I used my Mega Grow clear polish and added that to my nails. So guys, that is it for the video. I got the acrylic off. I followed her tutorial. It kind of sort of worked, but not really. I really had to work. It wasn't just sit them, scoop them, and then they're gonna be done. No, I had to work really hard, and they're in pain. They're red and white. But I guess the whole point of her video was only to help me get the acrylic off, and I did that. So not a complete fail. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I'll see you guys in the next video.